kids, good morning! How are you today? Welcome to our class in science. Are you now ready to learn? Then let's listen carefully and have fun while learning. The Earth's water forms. Let us describe the bodies of water which make up the environment and name the sources of water in the community. Earth's environment is made up of 3/4 water. Again, the Earth is made up of 3/4 water. Different water forms are on Earth's surface. An ocean is the largest form of water form. It is salty. Big ships and submarines travel in the ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest and widest ocean. As you can see on the picture, the blue one is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is on the east of the Philippines. As you can see, here is the Philippines, and it is on the east of the Philippines. The Philippine Sea here, this is the Philippine Sea, is on its west. This is the Philippine Sea. A sea is smaller than an ocean. A sea is smaller than an ocean. Coral reefs can be found in these water forms. There are coral reefs here because this is the ocean, and sea is the smaller than the ocean, and we can find coral reefs. They are homes of the kinds of fishes, or the different kinds of the fishes. The next water form is the river. This is a river. A river is fresh water which flows into the sea. It is used to transport people and goods on a small boat. Next, water form is a stream. A stream is smaller and shallower than a river. Next, are you familiar with this water form? This is a waterfall. Water that flows from a high place of a mountain or a mountainside is called a waterfall. As you can see, it flows from a high place or mountainside. Some waterfalls is the source of hydroelectric power, like Maria Cristina Falls. It is the source of hydroelectric power. Another water form is a lake. This is a lake. A lake is a body of fresh water surrounded by land. As you can see, it is surrounded by land. A lake is still and it's not flowing, as you can see, because it is surrounded by land. But this is called a fresh water. Unlike the sea that is salty. A lake is a good place for fishing, boating, and swimming. Another water form is a spring. It is a small water form. In a spring, water comes from underground. It can be used for drinking or bathing. A spring is good for drinking because it is clean. because it comes from underground. Another water form, as you can see in the picture, is a pond. A pond is smaller than a lake. This is also a small water form. A pond is a small bodies of fresh water with shallow and still water, marsh with many aquatic plants like water lilies. Again, these are the water forms: the ocean and the sea. The ocean is the largest water form, while the sea is smaller than the ocean. Another water form is the river and the stream. The rivers are flowing water bodies that have downhill water flow and usually contain huge quantity of water, while streams are small water bodies that originate from the melting ice or on the mountain tops. Another are the waterfalls and a lake. Again, waterfalls are water that flows from a high place or mountainside, while the lake is a body of fresh water surrounded by land. Another is a spring and a pond. A spring comes, or the water from of a spring comes from underground, while the pond has marsh and aquatic plants, and there are many fishes and living creatures here. Remember that there are different bodies of water in the environment. These are the water forms: the ocean, sea, river, lake, pond, and spring. For your activity, please answer the checkpoint on pages 234 to 235. Thank you and God bless.